You got severe criticism for going into the crowd and doing something, like asking somebody a question.
Maybe I didn't look at the comments.
Yeah.
So I just skipped.
You posted and ghosted.
So comments. Sorry, you want to
So
say?
this Globetrotter thing that was happening when people
Just to clarify, the Globetrotter event was the
Varanasi.
launch of Varanasi.
Yeah. Where there was a technical issue and the trailer wasn't being played, and then I had to just manage the stage at that moment. So everybody was thinking that there was a lot of pressure and all on me, but somehow I just love the stage. And the bigger the audience, I love it more.
Yeah.
So then at that moment, I just saw Rajamouli Garu's wife sitting there, Rama Garu was there, and she's a stylist for the film. So went there, sat with her, had a small banter with her. And then they said, still it's not playing, do something else. Then I saw Simha, who's a hero, Kiravani sir's son. So then we started the banter. And they said, it's still not coming. So then let's go to Priyanka.
Wow.
So the audience might be thinking, what is she doing?
Yeah.
Actually,
But it was interesting. You know,
Yeah.
it kept everyone there.
And
interested.
one thing, I don't use a in-ear.
Oh, okay.
No way.
No,
So
I
how
don't
do
use
they
a
tell you
in-ear.
it's
I don't
not
use a
real?
prompter unless there are some events where you need to be cued about it. Because when I use a in-ear, I feel that it comes in the way of my creation. And I can't be present to what you are talking and take it from there and have my response. Because mostly the response would be coming from here. Somebody is going on constantly.
But how do
saying,
they tell you then that the trailer's not on or something like that?
Rajamouli sir said that it's not on, do something.
Oh, okay. Like they announced it.
He was very cool. He was also great.